Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. In today's video, I'm going to be talking a little bit about the new Coco Eve shampoo and conditioner. So this is their first shampoo and conditioner that they ever come out with, and I've tried their mask. The Like a Virgin mask is so good. I have it in my shower. I use it all the time. It is an incredible mask. If you want something that's going to hydrate your curls or just hydrate your hair in general, if you have straight hair, wavy hair, coarse hair, I feel like that mask is just so good for all hair types. So anyways, today I actually tried the shampoo and conditioner in the shower, and I have a lot to say. Anyways, let's talk about the shampoo first. So the shampoo is new, and also the conditioner. I think they just came out with these two products like a month ago, and I've been dying to try them because I really like their mask, the Like a Virgin mask. But the shampoo retails for $24. This is the size, and this is 8.4 fluid ounces. Some of the ingredients include coconut, also avocado oil, and pineapple. Coconut oil is really good for split ends and just kind of repairing your hair, also like moisturizing your hair. I did feel like this left my hair very soft in the shower. It also left my scalp feeling very clean, very fresh as well, and a little bit goes such a long way with this shampoo. So this has a couple of different oils. It doesn't just have the avocado oil, it also has argan oil, green tea, and almond oil. So that is supposed to make your hair a lot stronger, shinier. So that is something that I did notice with the mask. When I used it, it left my hair so shiny. I'm gonna insert some clips in here of that video if you want to check it out. I'll link it down below. I did a whole dedicated YouTube video on the Like a Virgin mask from Coco Eve, and that mask is so good, especially like before a blowout, because it just leaves my hair so shiny, so soft, and it's really easy to detangle my hair in the shower with that mask. But I feel like the conditioner kind of felt like the mask. Is the conditioner more affordable than the mask? I'm trying to figure this out. So the mask is $39. I do feel like $39 is a little bit pricey for a mask, but it's so worth it. That mask is just worth every single penny. I really do like it so much. So actually, if you want to get the shampoo and conditioner bundle, it retails for $39 and you save 21%. So instead of paying $50 for each item, like if you buy them individually, you could get them for 40 bucks. So you get to save about 10 bucks, which is nice. I love to save money. This video is not sponsored. These were not gifted to me, so just so you know. So the conditioner is supposed to help detangle your hair. I did notice that it was so easy for me to detangle my hair in the shower with this product. Also with the conditioner, a little bit goes such a long way. Like these looked so small, but I feel like they are going to last me such a long time. You see, oh my god guys, I did not even read this in the website, but I told you this feels like the mask. I'm telling you. So it says here, instant hair mask results with 3 times thicker texture than a regular conditioner for deep conditioning. I knew it. I knew it. I knew this felt kind of similar to the mask because I left it on my hair for about 3 minutes, and then I just like, you know, detangled my hair, and this felt like a mask. Like it felt amazing on my hair, and my hair feels so soft right now. So yeah, you are supposed to get instant hair mask results with this conditioner, and I really did like it. I really did like it. So I guess both of these products have pretty much the same ingredients or very similar ingredients. This also has coconut, avocado oil, pineapple, and just the other oils that I mentioned, the argan oil, the almond oil for intense shine and strength. Let's move on to styling my hair and let's see the results. I feel like I notice the results when I dry my hair and when I style it. So let's move on to that. But so far, I do really like how this works in the shower. And even like right now on wet hair, my hair just feels very soft. It even looks shiny already. And yeah, it feels like so moisturized. So I'm so excited to curl my hair today. So I'm actually gonna use Miche hair products today. I've been using these products for a little bit now and I really do like them, so I kind of know that these products are going to work very well today. So the first product that I'm going to use is this Miche Lavish Leave-In Conditioner. I'm just going to put that on all my hair. I'm going to divide my hair into 2 sections, but first I do want to add a little bit of water because my hair did kind of dry a little bit at the root, and I feel like I get better results when my hair is completely wet. So I'm going to put on the bottom section about that much of the leave-in conditioner. I think that might be a lot, maybe too much, but it'll work. So now I'm going to do the same on the top section. I'm going to wet my hair because it definitely did dry a little bit. I'm going to link that spray bottle down below. I got it from Amazon and it was only like $8. It was so affordable and I actually really like it. Okay, so now I'm going to continue with the leave-in conditioner on the top section. So I'm going to add about that much. So now I'm going to add the Miche Curl Defining Gel on the bottom section. So I'm going to add about that much. I love how this smells. This smells like apples. This has to have like green apples or something like that because it just smells so good. Every time I use these products, my hair just smells amazing. So I'm just adding a little bit more of gel on the top. So now I'm just going to use my Julie brush just to spread all the product around. So I'm just literally going to brush my hair. So I am going to dry my hair already because I know that's what you guys are waiting for. I know you guys just want to see how my hair turns out with these products, with the new Coco and Eve shampoo and conditioner. And then the only thing that I used after that were these 2 products, the Miche Lavish Leave-In Conditioner and the gel to style my hair. So I'm going to dry it now with my T3 Fit. I'm going to use the T3 Fit to diffuse my hair. I love this diffuser. It's so tiny and lightweight and it's perfect for traveling, and it dries my hair super quickly. Like you would think that because this is like a small blow dryer that it's like not gonna dry your hair very quickly, but it definitely does, and it's like so powerful. So yeah, I'll be back with the final look. Alright guys, so here's the final look. This is what my hair looks like. What do you guys think? I think my hair is like super soft and it looks very shiny. You guys see? Looks so shiny. This side of my hair doesn't curl as much as this side, so just keep that in mind, but I still feel like this side is super soft and also very shiny. My hair just feels amazing. I'm just so surprised that I didn't do a mask in the shower today, and it really did feel like I did do a mask in the shower because my hair is so soft. But this conditioner is just so good and just so strong that you can kind of use it as a mini mask, as like a quick mask in the shower. Leave it on your hair for about 3 minutes and then rinse it off. You're good to go. But overall, I really did like these products. I loved the shampoo and conditioner. I love Coco and Eve products. I feel like their products are really good for like all hair types, but for curly hair it just works so well because their products are so moisturizing and curls need moisture. So yeah, I always love using the Like a Virgin mask from Coco and Eve. I have it in my shower and I use it all the time. It really is amazing, and whenever I want my hair to look extra shiny, I use that mask. But I mean, if you just want to get the shampoo and conditioner, the conditioner kind of works as a mini mask, and I really did like it. I really enjoyed these products. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do you want to see more videos like this where I test out products on my natural curls? Let me know in the comments down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.